Hey guys, I wanted to create this quick video. Why? Because I want to invite you to one of the coolest draping groups that there is, right? I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I have a private Facebook group, which is the Posh Academy Pipe and Drape Learning Community. Now, I know you're like, why would I want to join this group? Well, let's get digging. For one, we have over 11,000 members, and this is an active group, right? Now, everyone that's in this group, for one, it's private. And guess what? These amazing ladies and gentlemen be sharing all kinds of work, right? And the expertise level range from very beginner, meaning never touched it, never seen it, just came in the group, got inspired and wanted to do it, right? To expert level, right? Because a lot of these guys went to my master classes and went through other forms of training, and they come in here and they share tips, tricks, and resources as well amongst each other. Now, we have all kinds of people, like I said, they're sharing all kinds of pictures, all kinds of designs they done. Like, this is amazing. Of course, this is one of my lovely students, but this is amazing. And then keep on going. They also talk about the mystery boxes, because we do sell mystery boxes here at the Posh Academy. So they get in here and they share, what they've gotten from their mystery boxes, and, they inspire other people and get other people excited, because a lot of people don't know what to expect. But this is why you need to be in here, baby. Look at this. Look at this. This is another one of my students, though. But everyone in this group, of course, over 11,000 are not my students, but guess what they are? They are my tribe, and I want you to join, because you can be in here as well. Not to mention, look, they get exclusive pricing anytime we pass any kind of holiday deals or special promotions. Again, another mystery box. Let's keep on going. Another mystery box. Look, sharing her work. And a simple question: how did I do? My lovely community, guess what? They're not going to bash you. They're not going to try and embarrass you or anything like that. They actually give real tips on what you can do to improve your draping. Look, and Kate say, I like it, beautiful colors, but it appears as if the middle section of the drape is uneven. That's an amazing tip, right? Because she's asking, how did I do? That's not saying anything harsh, right? And this is the kind of feedback that you can get as well once you join the draping community, right? Then again, more tips. So that's a good place to be. Again, look at this beautiful draping from Tanya Forson. Looks amazing. So that's another one of my students, right? But everyone in here is not one of my students, and you don't have to be. It's not a requirement that you be a student to join this community. Look at what Miss Monica Williams did. She incorporated florals. She also incorporated a chandelier. Like, looks amazing. And you can tell that this is outside. So that would spark a good conversation about outside drapery, right? Clearly, there's 16 comments, meaning people was commenting, asking questions. And this is the kind of feedback that you can get as well. Then we also got to have a little humor, baby. We got to have a little humor. That's talking about the basement baddies. That was a really funny post, and that was posted by Cindy. So this is why, again, look at this, what Pamela did. Come on through, Pamela. And this is really pretty. I love it. Simple. A lot of people now are calling their backdrops by names. I love it. Of course, this is something we've been doing here at the Posh Academy, and I love that our other members are calling theirs, giving an actual name and a theme. Look at that sunset on the beach. Love it, love it, love it. So now you see why you need to be a part of this community. So all you got to do is click that link below, because we want you in here so we can help enhance your draping as well, right? That's all I got for today. Hope to see you guys on the inside.